Yeah, but they're not going very well. Yes, I'm recording it. Oh my god. Christian, they're about to attack you.
I'm scared.
Hold on, I'm going to try one more time to get some pieces on you, okay? Oh my god. Hold on. Put the camera down.
Still on?
Yeah, it's still on. Yeah, it's recording. Crap. Christian, say hi.
Hi. I'm Leonard Turner 20.
Stop, Christian. We buried him and we're trying to see if the birds come on him if we put breadcrumbs on him. So far, some of them are settling in, but the others are kind of wary. I think, okay. Hold on. I'm going to try some more bread, and then we'll be done. One more try. Christian, there's one on your feet. Don't move. Okay, they're not seeming to come. Alright, yeah, that's pretty much it. We're here at Padre Island, Texas. See you later.